I'm Beatrice McKenzie, and today I'm wondering, do zipper peas grow better in sunlight or under a grow light? Now, since I am doing the scientific method, I will write a hypothesis. Okay, since I'm finished with my hypothesis, I will read my hypothesis. If you grow a zipper pea under the sun, then it will grow faster than if under a grow light, because a grow light cannot produce what the sun can. What you're going to need for this experiment is 2 medium-sized pots, a watering can, 2 zipper peas, 2 worms, a measuring cup, a grow light, 1 cup of fertilizer, 34 cups of soil, a sunny greenhouse, and a spot under the house to put your plants. First thing you're going to need to do is to scoop 17 cups of soil into each pot. And then you need to take half a cup of fertilizer and put it in each pot. Next thing you need to do is to take 1 worm and put it in each pot. And then take a zipper pea and put it into each pot. 1 zipper pea and put it into the middle of each pot and gently cover it up with soil. And the next thing to do to finish setting up for the experiment is to put a cup of water in each pot. And then put one of the pots in a sunny greenhouse and one of them underneath the house with a grow light above it turned on. Germination is at day 6. Day 6, no germination. Day 7, germination. Day 12, 1 leaf. Day 12, 1 leaf. Day 18, 2 inches taller. Day 18, 1 leaf. Day 24, 2 leaves, 6 inches taller. Day 24, 1 inch taller. Day 30, already started vining. Day 30, barely vining, 4 inches tall. So here are the results of my experiment. The one on your left is sunlight and the one on your right is grow light. And so what I'm going to do now is write a conclusion. Now that I'm finished writing my conclusion, I will read my conclusion. Zipper peas grow better in sunlight than in a grow light. In the experiment, the plant in the greenhouse grew 8 inches in total with 2 leaves, and the plant under the grow light grew 5 inches in total with 1 leaf. The one under the sun germinated faster and grew taller than the one under the grow light. So that's how I know the zipper pea grew better in sunlight than under a grow light.